Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link pages inside of PDF Exchange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've got this PDF inside of here. Now the first thing what we want to do to make life easy, on the left hand side, we want to go ahead and show thumbnails. So just go ahead and show thumbnails. Now say for example I want to go to page 4 and link this back to page 1. What I can do is add some text. So I can where's the edit text or add text. Now I can add text here, and now I can say click for page 1 just for this demonstration. So I'm just going to make this a little bit larger. And now from here to add some links to go to page 1, what I can do is click on add edit links, and now I'm going to go ahead and put a box around that, and it says here browse for link target, so we can go ahead and click on set link. Now, if you want to edit that link, click on the properties. Now, inside of link properties, where it says actions, it says go to a page in the document. We want to go ahead and change that. So we want to go ahead and edit this. So from here, it says destination pages. So I want to do page 1 of 16. Now that's where I want the destination to be. So if I go ahead and click on OK, that's going to set that. So it says here, go to a page in the document, page 1, once they click into that spot there, that area. Now, if I click on the hand tool, click onto that, it's going to take me to page 1. So that's how to add links inside of PDF Exchange Editor.